Enter, manufacturing is undergoing a digital revolution, transforming how factories operate and compete in a rapidly changing market. Manufacturers are investing heavily in digital solutions to stay agile and meet evolving market demands. However, many still struggle to fully realize the potential of Industry 4.0. To support adaptive manufacturing, it's crucial to break down data silos and foster collaboration between the C-suite, information technology, and operational technology teams. Despite technological investments, only a small percentage of manufacturers track items in real time. Prioritizing technologies that offer quick returns is essential for executives. Digital tools are reshaping the workforce. Tablets, mobile computers, wearables, and augmented reality are becoming as common as traditional tools, changing how work is managed. Automation and real-time data analytics are key to maintaining high standards. Collaborative robots, or cobots, enhance workflows, reduce errors, and provide valuable data for continuous improvement. Embracing digital transformation and fostering collaboration across departments can unlock the full potential of Industry 4.0, leading to unprecedented efficiency and flexibility in manufacturing. Are you ready to lead the way? Connect with our experts today